Alright, so this is the second time we are launching off. There's Camden there. We have a new rope so that it doesn't spring back. And first launch. Hey! Hey! What's going on? Try to steer it. Come over here.
It's not recoiling.
Alright, let's start the second time. Two tries. Oh, this
yeah.
to the foot. That's good. That's so good. Alright,
I mean, it's
try.
coming towards us.
we'll try to add a sail in the next video. Bye.